AI has helped us in many ways, from chatbot to art design. In this video, I'm going to show you how or teach you how to remove background from a picture like a pro using AI. So subscribe for more and hit the bell icon to get notified. In this video, I'm going to show you how using step process. Process 1, how to find it. The name of the AI tool I use here is remove.bg. At the end of this guide, I'm gonna show you how to make picture easily be used in any editing app on your smart device. So watch till the end. Now go to any search engine you are using. Type in on the search box remove.bg. Process 2, how to remove background from the picture using remove.bg. Now tap on it to open the AI website too. As you can see, it's loading. Here, tap on upload to upload the picture you want to remove its background. Watch this process. I want to make it easy. As you can see, it is uploading. Wait for the AI to remove the background. Process 3, how to make the picture easy in any picture editing application. Download it. You can also change the background here also. Like, watch this process. Click on the pencil editing icon, Wait for it to load. Sorry guys. Just select any background you want to put it into, any background of your choice, or download it in order to make it usable in any application, editing application. Download it like this. Download it as PNG. Download it, click on download. Yeah, I will show you how it look on my editing application. Here in my editing application, this is how it will look. Let me upload it. You'll see this application is superb, excellent, best AI background removing application. So guys, see how it looks. You see it. That's how. If you found this video helpful, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more. Also like it to boost it. Watch my next video about AI keyboard for Android phone, or know more about this remove.bg by hitting the link on the description section below. See you on the next video.